It is easy to install and weather resistant thanks to its waterproof function. The battery is designed for harsh environments. Its robust housing can withstand humidity, heavy rain, and freeze. Optimize your solar investment and make your home more energy independent. The IP65P Power battery storage system collects and stores surplus power your panels produce during the day for use when you need it most. Stay prepared and protected from the power failures and peak energy rates with your own private energy reservoir or with zero emissions. We offer this wireless kit with your package so you can connect the accessory into your equipment smoothly. Manage your energy flow and the system operation on the go with the Mass Monitor app. From an intuitive dashboard, you can monitor the consumption, backup power, charge and discharge levels, net metering, and more in real time right from the smartphone.